What's going on, guys? Welcome to the next series of our drift video. This is us going to a undisclosed location in Northampton where we've managed to hire out the area with James at Autofinesse for the day so we can just use it ourselves. This is my third day learning how to drift. It's going to be a really good day. And then today, joining us, obviously, we've got James from Autofinesse in his mental E36 1JZ. We've got R44 boys, we've got Dylan and Reese have come along in their F80 M3. And obviously Archie and his dad Jay, who very kindly went and got the car for us from Jake's. And obviously myself, Beth and Dom from the Gravity team. Drift day number 3, it's very early and we're just about to leave to make our way to Northampton to meet James from Autofinesse and start the day. We've just arrived, the R44 boys have just arrived. Ripped the splitter off their M3 coming in. James is here, Archie's here in the 36 bash car. It's going to be a sick day. And we've got Harry from Identity here as well. So as this is our third day, obviously it's a different surface, but today's basically going to be learning to drift in between things. So yeah, this is learning to control the car a little bit more, getting used to having cars around me at the same time, mainly James in the 36, and had Archie, crazy drift kid on Instagram, helping me out today. Very good, very talented driver. So he's been teaching me how to sort of control the car a bit more, how to use the hydro, when to use it. But this track, as you can see, is super muddy.
Little 360 engine.
Puddles everywhere, the surfaces are quite different, so it was really difficult to get used to. But I guess when you're learning, it's good to kind of learn in the most difficult settings. So you can see I spun off a couple of times into the mud, which made the tyres really muddy, which made it even more difficult.
So close.
So close!
So far.
Mechanic.
I'm a mechanic now.
Full on mechanic.
It's a serious cage and it's seriously f***ing hard to get in and out of.
I am no stance queen, but the fitment on these arches are stiff.
Hang on, let me use
I've got the camera out to record him doing his first cable
use
tie.
my brain.
And he's fell at the first hurdle.
This is why I'm not a mechanic, everyone. Because I don't know how to work a cable tie. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Rip it. Lovely.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, bumper just falls off. Fuck.
Tuck that into it. There's one there, isn't there?
Oh god.
Two, didn't he?
No, because he said, do you want one or two? And I said, I only need one.
Right.
So because we're at this location, we could pretty much do as many runs as we wanted. So it's just a case of jumping in the car and going in between everybody else. But yeah, because we had a bit more free reign, it was a bit more difficult. Surfaces obviously made it really difficult. So I spun out once into the mud, probably my second or third run.
Right, we've got a harness because Jordan's going to kill me.
And then you'll see that I actually hit the tyres twice. I hit it head on with Harry in the car at one point, which was fine because then we just took the front bumper off and it looks cool that way anyway.
Oh. That was big.
You reckon?
Yeah, there's a chunk of bumper on the floor. Is it alright?
Be fine!
So pleased I put my harness on the second time round. Archie, what you got, mate?
What's that?
It's got a bumper, mate. It's just fresh
Jordan
bumper.
will sign it.
I'm going to sell this.
Yeah.
Yeah, sell it, yeah.
Jordan's bumper, I'm going to sell this for 100 quid.
He'll sign it for you, mate.
Good.
Good to go.
Just hide this
Oh,
bit.
you want this? I could try and drift and hold it, but I want to crash again.
Oh, I just took such a punch to the face.
And then on another run, the other side where the big puddle is, I got a bit too close to the tyres and ripped off the quarter of the rear bumper.
And he's taken a rear section of his bumper off. Great. George's 350's turned into a John Deere at this point. And
I broke 2 bumpers now. Going so well. Fuck. Jake will be upset.
yeah,
Sorry, Jake.
Jake will be upset.
Reckon we can fix this, Jake? Reckon we can fix it?
Yeah.
I think my neck hurts.
A bit of filler and that will be sweet. We've got a claim. We've got a claim.
Double crash in 10 minutes.
Injury lawyers for you.
It's only some bumpers, we can replace them, fix them, repair them, which Jake has kindly done for us. That's pretty much how it went today. It's just getting used to the hydro, getting used to controlling the car on different surfaces, spinning out here and there, and like we said, getting used to having other cars around you and trying to get close to other cars as well. But yeah, third day drifting, it's going well. Bumper delete and muddy face. It's been a good day.
Yeah.
Drift day, innit? So obviously we were here with James from Autofinesse in his 1JZ 36, getting used to drifting with him. Obviously this is almost a bit of a head-to-head challenge with James. Obviously he's got a lot more power than I do. He ran into a couple of issues.
The belt down the middle like Moses.
Is it shredded?
What be that? Water pump.
You want to change it?
Yeah, have you got one in your van?
Yeah, it's probably coming. What did it get up to?
110.
Wait, we're not.
It went off.
I got all of it.
Yeah, about 10 to 7 in the morning come round to.
It's a bit dirty in there now, isn't it?
But yeah, he's really getting the hang of it. He was going pretty quick into those corners. But yeah, it's 36, seems to be running nice, and it sounds absolutely unbelievable.
He's trying to get me wet. 100%. Pro drifter now. Look, collecting his fucking car.
The tyre over there. Not wedged in. I was like, it's alright.
It's actually in good nick. To be
Yeah,
fair.
clean that up. That's fine. That's good.
Facebook Marketplace, here we go.
Nice. James is getting the hang of it. I gotta get better quick. And then we also were here with Reese from R44 Performance, who brought along their F80 M3. Pretty sure it's stage 2. Yeah, obviously we had an F80 M3 that was Beth, so it was cool to see one there drifting. We never actually got the chance to drift it. Obviously just did some burnouts and donuts and stuff, but it was cool seeing one drifting. You've got loads left on that, mate.
Hang on. The inner edge is pretty.
Seeing how Reese got on with it, obviously it's a bit more difficult with an automatic, high power car. And then you'll see he mashed up his tyres pretty bad, and then he decided to make one go bang, just because why not? So Reese is mental, as you've just seen. There he goes. He spun, mad guy.
Squares, yeah, I gotta watch them. They're Gillen's lad. Let's just hope the tyre doesn't pop, innit? That's all I don't want. I'm gonna do it the opposite way, because it's tyre and then.
No chance.
No, because you get him out of that.
Let yourself go like a foot. So yeah, it was cool to see Reese and the R44 boys, and that M3, yeah, it's super cool. Not sure how easy that would be to drift. I'd like to give it a go. Just got hit with tyre in the face. Some of your tyre hit me in the face.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright. Yeah, I'm suing. That did go bang. So also on site we had Archie in his Autofinesse sponsored 36 bash car. You'll notice James tandem with him quite a lot. So Archie also drives in the Gravity live action. He's a very talented driver. He's very good. He's
Odds on, take the cap off. Odds on, take the cap off. Loves it.
The car did catch fire at the end of the day, unfortunately, but managed to save it, luckily, with a few fire extinguishers. But yeah, Archie was there sort of helping me out, helping James out, helping out working on the cars. But yeah, even Archie spun out at one point and hit some tyres, so that just shows you how difficult the surface was when there's pro drivers spinning out and hitting tyres and stuff at the same time. But this 36 is indestructible. So that pretty much sums up our third drift day. It was really good, got a lot of seat time today. Bit annoying that we couldn't grab second gear, but we're going to try that the next day at Santa Pod, which is in a couple of weeks. And yeah, really good day. Unfortunately, we did damage the car a little bit. We smashed the front bumper, smashed the rear bumper, but nothing major, just some cosmetic damage that will get fixed for the next drift day. And good to see the R44 boys, and obviously James from Autofinesse as well. All in all, feel like I'm progressing pretty well, getting some hydro use in there as well, really learning to control the car a little bit more and go sort of drift in between things as opposed to just on an open area. And yeah, looking forward to getting out on the track next time at Santa Pod, which will be our 4th day in January. See you there. I feel like I'm making good progress. James is also making very good progress, although he is cheating because he's got a faster car. But then I've got wise fab, so I guess maybe I'm cheating as well. Beautiful sunset here in Northampton. I am absolutely knackered. It's been a really good day. Crashed 3 times, ripped off the front bumper and half the rear bumper, but that's what drifting's all about, and we're all learning. So yeah, 3rd time out in the car ever, 3rd time trying to drift ever, doing big figure of 8s. As you can see where we are around there, and then back around this one, there's a big puddle in the middle of that one, so you'll see me spin out almost every time. Archie's been a massive help with us. Thank you all for watching, and the next drift day, the 4th drift day, back at Santa Pod, 10th of Jan. See you there.